So, maiden voyage for Pembroke Blues Fest.
But I had it right.
Kathy and Peter, Witch of Wookie as she's better known, setting up their tent. We've got our pop-topped, our awning up. About to put up our tent. Dog here.
There we go. Oh, right, sorry. Where are we set? Okay. What orientation do we want?
Everything. Smile, baby. We've staked our claim. When we come big.
Do I put the fly on?
Stupid dog, take one.
He's here, just ram into the tree.
She's out of frame. You're a bad actress, Janie. Get in frame. We can edit that part out.
No, that's the best part.
No.
That might be the intro to all my videos now.
Show everybody your big old Caesar at before noon. Oh, after our beer and tomato juice. It's raining at the festival, but we're still having a good time. Kat's holed up in her screen room. Pete's doing dishes like a good little
I'm well
man.
trained. And fearful.
It's on camera. Sun! We have shadows. Dog's gonna die soon.
Alright, all you saps out there that didn't believe me, when I said Saturday was going to be sunny, that is blue sky, as I said it would be.
Shadows.
There is shadows, which means that there is sunshine.
Oh, I'm wearing factor 30.
You're wearing what?
Factor 30. SPF, sorry. Damn the language barrier.
Fucking Brits. Who allowed them over here anyway? Anyway, we're having a great time.
You weren't you?
Apparently the people who allowed the Brits over here were the Dutch.
That's fine, I'm just saying you're all about you.
It wasn't all the Dutch criminals that moved over here in the first place.
No, you're thinking Australia.
No, that was definitely British criminals. I remember that.
Oh, here, I just put you in focus. You actually look like somebody now. Instead of like a,
Who do you look like?
blur.
I look like I look
He
like
looks like
Pinocchio.
Britney Spears.
One of these
Oh,
days
wait.
I want to be a real man.
Christina Aguilera.
I almost burst into song.
Please don't.
I'm her genie in a bottle.